Hello, my name is Mina. In this lesson, I have lots of examples for you. Let's start. Today's lesson is about past continuous tense. We'll talk about making sentences and questions. First of all, when can we use past continuous tense? We use past continuous to talk about an action in progress at a specific time in past. For example, at 6 o'clock last night. At 7:45 last Monday. Also, we use past continuous to describe the beginning of a story. For example, it was a warm night and I was walking in the woods. Let's start with positive sentences. We make past continuous sentences by using was or were and verb plus ing. For I, she, he, and it use was and verb plus ing, like these examples. I was listening to music at 4 o'clock yesterday. She was playing the piano at 2:45 yesterday. He was making dinner at 9:15 last night. It was raining at 6 o'clock last Saturday. For you, we, and they use were and verb plus ing. Look at these sentences. You were studying English yesterday morning. We were watching TV at 10 last night. They were cleaning the house last Sunday morning. Pay attention, was or were and verb plus ing are always together. We can make negative sentences by adding not. Let's look at some examples. I was not helping my mom at 4 yesterday. She was not working. He was not having breakfast. It was not snowing yesterday evening. For I, she, he, and it use was, not, and verb plus ing. Was not helping. Was not working. Was not having. Was not snowing. Look at these ones. They were not doing anything important. You were not listening to me. We were not playing soccer last night. For they, you, and we use were, not, and verb plus ing. We're not doing. We're not listening. We're not playing. Let me tell you about contractions. Was not is the full form. Wasn't is the contraction. Were not is the full form. Weren't is the contraction. You can say, I wasn't helping my mom. She wasn't working. He wasn't having breakfast. It wasn't snowing. They weren't doing anything important. You weren't listening to me. We weren't playing soccer. Can you guess how to make a yes-no question? Yes-no questions are started with was or were, and we still have verb plus ing. Read these questions. Were they dancing at 10 yesterday? Start with were, then subject, they, and verb plus ing, dancing. In answers, use were. Yes, they were. No, they weren't. Next. Were you working at 4? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Let's ask the same question from you and your friends. Were you working at 4? Yes, we were. No, we weren't. Next one. Were we driving fast at 6 last night? Yes, you were. No, you weren't. We can ask ourselves an answer like, yes, we were. No, we weren't. So, for they, you, and we, start the question with were, and don't forget to add ing to the verbs. Another example. Was she making lunch? Yes, she was. No, she wasn't. One more for he. Was he sleeping at 9 yesterday morning? Yes, he was. No, he wasn't. Look at this one. Was I writing a letter? Yes, you were. No, you weren't. Next. Was it raining at 2 last Sunday? Yes, it was. No, it wasn't. As you see, for she, he, I, and it, we start the question with was, and we have verb plus ing. You can use contractions. Was not is the full form. Wasn't is the contraction. Were not is the full form. Weren't is the contraction. You can say, no, they weren't, or no, they were not. No, I wasn't, or no, I was not. No, we weren't, or no, we were not, and so on. I repeat again, please be careful. Was or were and verb plus ing are always together. What's your idea about past continuous tense? It has a fixed rule for making sentences and questions. Was or were and verb plus ing. Do you need to practice more? Make some sentences and questions with the words I give you. Send them in comments. I'd like to read them. Number 1. Talk on the phone. She. Number 2. Work hard. They. And number 3. Practice English. I. I'm so excited about next video. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Bye.